All right, so check this out. I went to my buddy's shop to borrow his trailer, and my dad calls me. I just fixed a car for my mom and dad so they can get around. He calls me up and says, hey, there's a free Cub Cadet mower on the side of the road, but it runs and starts. He just drove it around a little bit, so you should come grab it. I'll sit here on it and wait for you to come get it. I had just gotten off the highway, so I was like, hell yeah, I'll be right there. So 10 minutes later, I show up, and here we go. It's up there. Can you guys see that? Thing's stripped out. It's almost like it's not in where it should be. But I mean, that's an easy fix. Basically, I just took the 2 pins out of the front of the deck, dropped the deck down. I was able to get a socket on the bottom of this gear spindle here, and you can see that it's all chewed up. If you look at it, really only half of it's chewed up. This part up here still got teeth on it. So I think I'm gonna do is just flip it around, put a washer here to push it down a little further so that it's getting a good bite on the good stuff. And then the shaft is in a bigger hole. I think there's supposed to be a bushing there that's not there. I don't know if it's gone or it wasn't put there, or maybe it's just a bad design, but I think I might cut some of this little chunk of this PVC pipe off and slide it up the shaft to keep it tight. All the correct parts are only $22 with free shipping on Amazon. But that's about 4 days away, so we're gonna go ahead and try to rig this up for free today. Oh, it does work. It will work. We're gonna go ahead and stick this little itty bitty piece, little itty bitty piece, see bitty little. With a little piece of PVC in there, it's tighter. Oh yeah, it's much tighter. Not as much slop. I think we're good now. It seems. I think that was all it needed. Part of the problem right here. Oh, come on. There. I can't be happier with that. I mean, that is so simple. What is it? What is it? What do you got your Cody dog? She got the last one. I was actually packaging it up to send it out, and she pulled it out of my hands. And I said, you know what? You can have it. I'm going to cancel this person's order. Yeah, yeah. And she takes good care of it, doesn't she? She takes good care of it. It's been almost a year. Pulled all the plastic pieces out of it, but she hasn't ripped it in half yet. We got a mower for free, and I fixed it for free. Pretty nice mower for having like this much into it. Pretty awesome. Doesn't get better than that.